Welcome back, YouTube. I'm down here, this kid, ever since we
I got them small fish.
was up there in the mountains,
We have fish.
she was hollering, go fishing.
We have fish in
So I was come down here to mess around with her some
The
today.
baby fish, I like it.
And look at what she's caught. You caught a golly whopper.
Yeah, Daddy.
Yeah, I see that. Let's put him back and see if you can do that again.
Okay.
I brought some of the heads from off of some of them fish I cleaned yesterday, and I'm gonna throw out a couple of rods. We could catch mudfish, catfish, or whatever a bite, Nadine. It's hot, and all we doing is hunting some shade to get in, sitting on the side of the river. That's all we doing today.
A big fish.
That's a shellcracker fish.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Fish.
Let's put him in the box.
A big one.
Another shellcracker.
What is Daddy? We
Look.
have a dog nugger, okay,
Hmm?
Daddy?
Yeah, that's another shellcracker.
Yeah. Oi. A fish. We have a fish, Daddy.
Mm-hmm.
It's the mommy fish have a dog nugger.
Yeah, we got a shellcracker.
It's crocodile.
Mm-hmm.
It's getting
Me and Nadine has give up on the catfishing for a little while. We kind of fishing along with the brim buster and the cork again.
That's crocodile.
And we can keep hitting shade on this side while we fishing. Right now that tide's going out, and all the places I know to catfish, you have to get out in the middle of the river, and there ain't no shade out there.
How about hot dog fish?
So we can fish this brim buster some here this evening.
Whoa, the big fish, Daddy. Oh, a big fish, Daddy.
Look out there, Nadine.
She's throwing
Mhm.
hot dog fish, hot dog catfish.
Yeah.
Oh, did
You want to touch him?
Yeah. Aw. It's your mama.
Well, he's a pretty one.
A fig.
Oh, we got a brim this time, Nadine. Good hand-sized brim here.
A big fish boat, Daddy.
There went some of them bass riders, Nadine. There's another bass rider right there.
I think that's a big,
Yeah.
a big fish, Daddy.
Mm-hmm.
It's splashing me.
He's big enough to eat for a shellcracker, I think, Nadine.
Yeah, we put the
Hmm?
same fish spot.
Yeah. We'll give him to my brother.
And when you hold the fish. A big fish, Daddy. Wow, big fish, Daddy.
Yeah, another shellcracker.
You have the dog and hot
Look
dog.
out there, Nadine.
It's hot dog
Huh?
fish.
What?
It's
What?
hot dog.
It's a
hot
what?
dog. It's hot dog in your face.
Yeah, I guess you want to touch him.
Okay. Aww.
What's that old saying they used to have, Nadine? Do yourself a favor, take a kid fishing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I need to go and Mama to get some ice questions.
Does kids like fishing?
Yeah.
I thought so.
Give me this one. Give me, Daddy.
What you give you? Hang on. You want to touch the little brimmy?
No.
Hmm? We'll throw the little brimmy back and let him grow up some more. Yeah.
She want to put her on.
All right, he's yours. He's all yours there now. Let's see if you can get him in this boat. You better pick up higher. You better go higher than that. You got to pick him up and put him in the boat. You got him hanging over the side. Here, let me see if I can help you here.
Oh, I got both.
Did you get him?
Yeah.
Wow.
It's a baby fish.
Yeah.
It's a dog.
Look at that. You got him. You want to touch him before we put him back?
Yeah.
All right.
Aww. Oh, this is so cute.
Let me see if I can hook you a nutting.
Okay.
All right, you got to get him back this way here now.
Got it.
Did you get him?
Yeah. I can see it. Said that right.
Yeah, let's let him grow up some.
You had a good touch it.
Yeah, well, touch him where we can throw him back.
Aw. What's this? We just catch a baby.
See if we can hook you a nutting.
Okay, we catch baby hard to see how it's texture, okay? Be quiet to get safe. I got
You sure you got him now? Well, you better get him over the boat here where I can get him. You got to get him over the boat.
I got it! A baby fish, Daddy.
You did?
Yeah. Go in the hand, please. Oh, the baby one to go in the fish box.
Oh, well, you got to get a bigger one. All right, hold it, both hands. You better hold it. That's a nice one. You better hold him. Pull him in here. Get him into the boat here now. Come on. Hold that fish. Don't you let that fish get away. Pull him up here. Get him up this way.
A big baby fish.
Yeah, you got him. Why you turning the brim buster loose?
I don't have. I touch him. There's a bit missing him.
Why was you holding both hands and a grunting for?
I didn't know you were so touchy.
Oh, yeah.
Gimme.
I ate too little, Nadine.
I want to play. Please, Daddy.
What? We ain't got but a few minutes. We got to go. That can't make up his mind if he wants it, Nadine. Trying to tear all our bait off of there.
Gimme, Dad. Gimme one. Bye.
There's a little one, Nadine. Well, you two, me and my co-pilot, we is fished and we is tired. The sun's going down.
And don't forget to subscribe to Puppetry.
So, like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Anyhow, it's that sun's going down, and we could call it a day. We hope you enjoyed. I think my little co-pilot did. But anyhow, maybe these fish will get to biting better one day here, and we'll get some of them pounders and stuff, and maybe they'll start biting that beetle spin some. But anyhow, we'll catch you the next time, you two.
Bye.